Hey everyone, Micah here with Electrek, and today we are reviewing the Fiido X folding electric bike, the latest update to Fiido's futuristic-looking e-bikes. Let's check it out. The Fiido X is the latest update to Fiido's sleek folding e-bike line. The bike sports a similarly elegant magnesium frame that combines minimalist styling with an updated folding mechanism, but we'll get back to that in a moment. That's because the most innovative part of the Fiido X is the battery, so let's start there. The battery is actually hidden in the seat post of the bike. It's locked there using a digital combination lock, so you punch in your code to unlock the clamp, then release it to remove the battery/seat post. It's a pretty long battery, but that helps keep the bulk of it out of the sleek frame. To lock the battery back in, you push down the clamp, which then forces two blades into the battery rails, meaning you don't need to plug in a battery cable like other seat post batteries require. It's an innovative design, though it's fairly complex, which has me worrying about longevity issues. I give it a 10 out of 10 for creativity and thinking outside the box though. And just look at what a cool frame that allows too, now that you don't have to put the battery somewhere in or on the frame tubes. The battery capacity is 418 watt-hours, which is not huge but also not as small as some minimalistic folding e-bikes. Fiido claims you can get up to 130 kilometers or 80 miles of range out of it, but that's hilariously lofty. To be fair, there are 3 pedal assist settings, and the lowest power mode may actually eke out that much range, since it really doesn't offer much power, but the 2 higher power modes are where most people will spend the majority of their time, and neither of those modes will get you such extreme range. What you do get though is very comfortable pedal assist, thanks to the inclusion of a true torque sensor. When I apply pressure to the pedals, I feel the power come online almost instantaneously. It's not like the delay you get with cheaper cadence-based pedal assist. It's much more comfortable and intuitive. After experiencing good torque sensor-based pedal assist like this, it's pretty hard to go back to old-school cadence-based pedal assist. And for an e-bike without a throttle, good pedal assist makes a huge difference. I'd love to see them offer a throttle in the future, but until then, a torque sensor system is a nice inclusion. And it's a quick way to get up to the bike's top speed too, which is around 20 miles an hour or 32 kilometers per hour on the US version of the e-bike, but a slower 15 miles an hour or 25 kilometers per hour on the European version of the bike. Can't blame Fiido for that though, them's the laws. The bike includes other nice features like hydraulic disc brakes, integrated lighting built right into the frame, and narrow efficient CST tires that commuters should enjoy. There's no suspension, and so I tried to stick to more manicured roads, but classic bike commuters are probably used to non-suspension bikes. The advantage is that you get a longer lasting and lighter e-bike, which, by the way, the bike only weighs 17 kilos or 37 pounds. The disadvantage is that you'll be bucking around if you hit a poorly maintained street, so your mileage may vary there when it comes to suspension. While the suspension issue can be debated, there's no debate on having a nice folding setup. The Fiido X has smooth folding handlebars and an equally smooth folding frame. Once folded, the whole bike can be rolled away without lifting, though it's not too heavy anyways if you have to lift it. The folded package is relatively small, and it should fit in just about any car trunk, and would be great for subway or train commuters also. The Fiido X is definitely a commuter-spec bike. This is not a powerful or adventure-ready e-bike. The rear motor is only rated for 250 watts continuous, and so don't expect to be popping wheelies or climbing walls. With a lowish gear ratio though, hills don't seem to be too much of a problem as long as you put in some good effort. At a current price of $1,599, the bike feels like a solid option. Keep in mind that you're getting nice parts like that fancy battery, hydraulic disc brakes, and a sleek magnesium frame. But then again, there are plenty of faster, more powerful folding e-bikes out there that cost less. In the end, it really comes down to what you need. If you're a commuter, then this may be the kind of bike for you. Not a faster, but twice as heavy folder. Just don't expect an innovative design like this to give you the best bang for your buck though when it comes to performance. The Fiido X's performance is what I'd describe as fine, but where it really shines is in its design and its functionality. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed that review of the Fiido X. If you did, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future electric vehicle videos. We'll see you here next time.